You guys, I'm so excited to share my new rug from Decor Steels. It is going on sale and I don't want you to miss out on this. Look how beautiful. So it really looks like natural seagrass. It takes its coloration and texture from seagrass, but it's actually machine woven out of durable polypropylene. So it's perfect for kids and dogs and heavy traffic areas, which is this space in our great room. It probably gets more traffic than any other place in our home. So it's beautiful because you get the natural beauty of seagrass with the low maintenance properties of synthetic fibers. And of course, in true Decor Steels fashion, the price can't be beat. So I'm in love with my new rug. It's taken me forever to find a rug to fit this space because I wanted something that was neutral but could still warm up the stone. I don't know if you have stone floors or if you have hardwood. Sometimes you just need something. This will warm up our winters, and it's just going to be great. The dogs really love it because they don't like the stone floors. So another thing, I thought this rug would be a perfect layering rug. So this would be like the neutral base, and then you could float another patterned rug on top of it. And I absolutely love the look of layered rugs. It's the perfect way to add interest and texture to any space. So don't miss out on this fabulous offer. They're gonna sell out fast.